Hi Matt, Krisha Warren here, and just completed watching your presentation on listening styles. I thought it was very informative. It was very clear and aligned our reading from this week with your definitions, your examples, and helped to, again, align all of that material into a really nice presentation. I would agree that we have to flex quite often, whether we're at home or at work, and that those listening styles also have to flex. So I am, from a behavioral standpoint, am very people oriented, very focused on the person, being compassionate, empathetic to whatever may be going on with them. So really focus on the well-being of the person. So I would say from a listening style, I'm more people oriented when it comes to crisis at work, but at home it's majority people oriented listening. And then from a work perspective, from the majority, I would say, because I am in compliance, I am content and action oriented. Content more from a, I need to hear the facts and the evidence of compliance. You need to tell me and show me and prove that that is where we stand. And then from an action oriented, when we're implementing new regulations, procedures, whatnot, I'm very, action oriented. I need to know the structure. I need to know who's tasked with each of the actions and be really clear on those actions and deadlines. So I agree that we have some, flexing that we do at work and at home. And it's also helpful, I think, to know what our listeners' styles are so that we can present more clearly and crisper to them. So again, thank you for the presentation, and did find it a value add. So good work.